Hey, what's going on, team? Hope you guys are all having an amazing Friday. Quick little recap on the overall day. $562 profit, area code 562 for all my people in LA. Whoop, whoop. Wanted a recap on the day. I took my first position at 8:12 a.m. and sold it at 8:35. Total 23 minutes of trading. This is not always how it plays out. Today was a super efficient time when it came down to trading. So I bought, sold, and bought, sold. So a total of 3-day trades at $562 profit with an average position size, if I'm not mistaken, of about 400 to around 350. So why did I take my position? And this is exactly why I wanted to upload this video. One of my biggest focuses this week has been focusing, instead of the 1-day 1-minute chart, that it's more helpful to have a better understanding of the direction on the 5-minute chart. So again, a lot of people like to focus sometimes maybe on the 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. I have noticed that I've been working really well, especially this week with the 5-minute chart. So overall, natural gas began to push up, which caused D-gas to pull back. It began to find a support again on the 5-minute chart. I feel like the MACD and the RSI is a little bit more clear. We begin to see consolidation here, and then it actually begins to indicate signs of an uptrend. And I wanted to show you guys exactly where I actually took the position. So as you guys see, as this thing began to find a support and began to reverse up, that's exactly when I began to buy and then sell, buy and then sell. Again, going with that overall direction. So it's allowing that opportunity to present itself, and I began to see it become more clear on the 5-minute chart. So again, on the 1-day 1-minute chart, there's nothing wrong with this, but one of the things that I personally notice is that it's just so much more clear on the 5-minute chart is because there's not such a consistent change of direction. So I'm going to go ahead and move the orders just so you guys can focus on the overall pattern. But sometimes I feel, and again, this might just be me, but on the 1-day 1-minute chart, I sometimes almost get like, indicator paralysis when you're like, kind of second guessing yourself because things are contradicting one another. And with the 1-day 1-minute chart, I feel like sometimes it could be all over the place. With the 1-day 5-minute chart, I can see things a little bit more clear. So that's the whole purpose of me making this video. I just wanted to emphasize the importance of, if you're struggling to identify direction, then maybe messing around with the time frames before you take a position to see if the stock or the overall pattern of what it is that you are trading becomes a little bit more clear with the larger time frame. So again, nice little push up. It pulled back. Once I began to see it pull back and find a support, this is exactly when I began to look at the indicators. Those made sense, but then that overall price action followed, and I kind of just went with the flow. Again, it's a lot easier to make money when you simply allow that confirmation and that direction to be in your favor. So again, $562 of profit in about 23 minutes when it came down to trading. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up if you guys did. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, all you guys have to do is drop that down in the comment section. If you guys have not already joined our free Facebook group, we are the largest Facebook group for those who day trade in the stock market. And again, that's going to be that first link down below. If you're ready to join the Learn Plan Profit team, and if you want to watch me trade live every single day, that's going to be that second link down below. I think the weekend is a great time to catch up on that course. You'll be able to watch me trade live as soon as Monday. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.